What up, YouTube? Okay, so we're gonna be going over the best 3 businesses to start in 2020 that take no startup capital, that you can do anywhere in the world, and that can be done even if you're not 18 yet. So I got 3 great businesses that are rising up really fast. There's a huge wave. There's gonna be a lot more money in these businesses in 2020, which spells a lot of opportunity for you. So take notes, people, because we're gonna go over specifically, point by point, right here on my computer, how you can get started in these businesses and start making money fast. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make quick money in 1 day online. And by quick money, it's gonna be big money. I'm not gonna show you some way to make $5 or $10 or $20 in a day online. I'm gonna show you how to make big money, and I'm gonna walk you through step by step right here on my computer exactly what you need to do to get it. Let's get it. Woo! This is a hot money-making method. Easy way to make up to $500 commissions in a day, but I'm gonna go over something even better in this video. It's gonna be Facebook for beginners, and this method is working right now. It's updated. I'm giving you multiple ways to do this. Man, this is hot. Oh my gosh, there's so much money coming from this underground Google method that I'm about to go over. This is crazy. I've never shown this to anybody before. This is one of the most powerful things you can do. Now, I'm gonna show you an underground method to get ranked on Google, costing no money, requiring you to have no website, no domain, still get ranked on Google, and you can make up to $4,000 per month with this method. I'm gonna show you in this video how to make $100 a day using Instagram with one trick. And I'm gonna show you in this video how you can get paid 2 ways. You'll get paid when people click on the link you share with others, and you'll get paid when people buy from the link. So no matter what, you make money. And what's even better about this method is that you can do this even if you have no experience. You can do this even if you have no tech skills, even if you don't even have a computer, or if you're not even 18 years old. And even better is you can do this no matter what country you're from. This is a free method to make money, and it's very easy. I'm gonna show you in just a few minutes on my computer right here how you can get this done and start earning money 2 different ways. I'm gonna show you how to make some frickin' money. This is an easy trick to make $100 a day with Facebook, without owning your own product, without having any technical experience, without having to pay for any ads or anything. And it's gonna be real easy. I've made millions per year as an affiliate marketer, and I'm gonna show you how you can use this trick. I'm gonna show you right on my computer how you can get started, how you will get paid real quick. How would you like for me to show you how to place ads for free and make up to $500 a day, literally copying and pasting ads onto sites that you don't even have to pay to put your ads up? I'm gonna show you 3 sites you can copy paste on. This is a method that is free to do. It's worldwide, works anywhere, no matter where you are in the world, and you can do it any age. Okay.